Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie spice. To begin, you will need to gather your essential spices. Start with 4 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, which forms the aromatic foundation of our blend. Next, measure out 2 teaspoons of freshly ground nutmeg for its warm, sweet notes. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of ground allspice, contributing a complex, peppery sweetness to the mix. Now, let's complete our spice blend. Add 1 teaspoon of ground ginger to the bowl, which provides a lovely, subtle warmth. It's crucial that all your spices are finely ground to ensure a smooth, consistent texture. Take a small bowl and a whisk, then gently combine all the ingredients. Whisk thoroughly until the spices are evenly distributed and no clumps remain. Once your apple pie spice is perfectly blended, proper storage is key to maintaining its potency. Transfer the mixture into an airtight container, such as a small glass jar. Store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to preserve its vibrant flavor for several months. When baking, use approximately 2 teaspoons of this homemade blend for a standard apple pie recipe. With your homemade apple pie spice ready, you're all set to elevate your fall baking. This versatile blend isn't just for pies, it also wonderfully enhances apple crumbles, baked apples, and even muffins. Try stirring a pinch into your morning oatmeal or coffee for a delightful, warm flavor. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy the comforting aroma and taste of your unique spice blend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.